Whether you're using our webmail or the general Gmail program, there are several other features that you might be interested in investigating. You access those up on this 9 square little tab up at the top. And they kind of change from time to time, but they're fairly consistent. One you might be interested in, this is the email on your smartphone. Google Drive will open in a new tab, as you can see, and it offers a place for you to create documents right in Google online, not using Microsoft Office, and it's free. Then you have to play around with it to figure out how it works. But there it is, and it opens in its own tab, so when you're done, you can just close the tab. It's a great way to share documents with other people. There's a calendar here, and you could make an appointment. Let's say I have a class at 9 o'clock, so I could type in C++ class at 9 o'clock, and then I could edit it so that the class is actually from 9 until 11, and so on and so forth. Okay? Set all kinds of features, invite other people to come, and so on. And then I'll save it, and it will show up here for me. Lots of people use this calendar, and you can have multiple calendars. So I could have my personal calendar, and actually I'm a member of some other calendars too, as you can see, and those will pop up on my calendar if I have them turned on. So you see, like that. All right, so you can play with the calendar, and I'll close that tab when I'm done. Another one here is Google Sites, which gives you a website building mechanism to create a web page or to share files between each other. And Google Groups lets you be a member of a list, a mailing list, if you will. And so examples of lists that I'm on are, I have no idea what that is. They just added it, must be. We have a list for the e-learning faculty and all the employees at the college, and we teachers help each other with Blackboard. Those are all lists that I'm on. So if I send a message to that list, it automatically goes to everybody on the list. And when somebody answers or replies to that message, it goes to everybody on the list. Very convenient, widely used in business and professional circles. And there's a contacts. If you're interested in such a thing, I have the list of all the contacts. I believe this is everybody at Mott Community College, for example. They give that to the teachers. You could make up your own list. And then there is a more down at the bottom. If you look down in more, there's Maps and YouTube and Translate. Now you can get to, for example, maps.google.com by typing it too, or translate.google.com. I know those. I use those all the time. There are more and more of them coming all the time, so you should keep your eye on it to find when Google puts out new features for users to take advantage of.